Hello everyone. In this sequence, I'm sharing the second video of active and passive voice. So let's start from question number 11 till 10th. It was explained. Why did you leave her alone? Why was she left alone by you? Next one. What have you bought today? So the answer will be been what has been bought. What has been bought today by you? Next one. Let us sing a song. So the answer will be a song be sung by us. Okay. Next one. I gave her my books. My books were given to her by me. My books were given to her by me. Full stop. Next question. The cyclone destroyed the village. The village was destroyed by the cyclone. By the cyclone. Next question. Help the needy. So the answer will be you are advised to help the needy. Next is try out 4. What you need to do in try out 4, fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verb in the simple sentence. Now the first one, the bell was rung. The bell was rung. Next, the vegetables were peeled and wash में washed जुड़ जाएगा, washed. Then invitation cards were not sent timely. Next, his phone was tapped. Was then tap third form, that is tapped. Next one, many trains were cancelled. CANCELLED, cancelled. Next question is the strike were cancelled. The strike were cancelled. Next one, CCTV cameras were installed. Were installed. Next one, the medicine was taken. The medicine was taken regularly. Now let's solve try out 5. So here are some rules which you are supposed to go through, like if he is in active, then passive of he is him, passive of she is her, passive of we is us, passive of I is me, passive of they is them. Okay. Now the next one, rewrite the following into active voice. Then here, she was given the pen by the shopkeeper. So here the shopkeeper gave her, because it's simple past tense, it shows simple past tense, so we will use the verb of simple past tense. The shopkeeper gave her the pen. This is the first one. Now the second one is the employer was pleased with his employee's statement. So the employer's statement pleased, PLEASED, pleased the employee, EMPLOYE. Okay, the employee's statement pleased the employer. Okay, next one is she was brought to the playground of the teacher by the teacher. So the teacher, okay, the teacher or her teacher, both the two are correct. Her teacher brought her to the playground, to the playground. Okay. Next one, kites were flown by us. So kites were flown by us. We fly kites. We fly kites. Next one, you are requested to help me. So please help me. Next one book will be read by him. So he will read one book. Next one, try out 6. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs in the simple present tense. Understood? To find the process preparing bread rolls. So simple present tense में करना है is plus am plus are and verb third form. Okay? So let's do this. Potatoes are boiled. Are boiled. Potatoes are boiled and peeled. They mashed. They mashed properly. A bowl of boiled peas, chopped coriander leaves, green chilies, grated paneer, salt and pepper are added. And the mixture is mixed properly. A slice of bread is taken and dipped. Water just for a second. Then water is squeezed. Then water is squeezed. 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 Out by the pressing the slice between the palms. Then a spoon of potato mixture is put on the slice and the slice rolled is rolled and made keeping the fillings inside. More such rolls are are prepared. Oil is heated. Rolls are fried. They turn golden and crisp. These are served with coriander and tomato ketchup. Change the following sentences into passive voice. Omit the doer of the action wherever you think it is not needed. The constitution of a country serves several purposes. So here several purposes are served. I'm just writing over here the first one. Okay, several purposes, purposes, purposes are served by the constitution of a country. This is the first one. Let's solve the second one. Second is, Nepal has witnessed several people's struggles for democracy. So several people's struggles for democracy. अब several people है तो ये plural हो जाएगा. So we will use here have been witnessed. Verb third form, witnessed by whom? By Nepal. Next one, they did not discriminate against us on the grounds of religion. Okay, so us will change into we. We were not discriminated. We were not discriminated. We were not discriminated on the ground of religion. Okay. We were not discriminated on the against on the ground of religion. Next one, how does the parliament control and guide the government? So the answer will be the parliament controlled and guided. Sorry, here how does we were not We were not controlled and guided by the parliament. एक second. The question starts with how does, so we will make it how is the government. The new subject is how is. How is the government? How is the government controlled? Then we will use verb. How is the government controlled and guided? Control and guided, then we will write the previous subject. Now it will change into object by the parliament. Next, who will form the government? So by whom will the government be formed? By whom will the government be formed? Okay. Next one, the elected members of the legislative assembly of a state elect the members of Rajya Sabha. So here the members of the Rajya Sabha are, after this we will write are elected, are elected, are elected members of by the members of the legislative assemblies. Now this chapter is completed. Thank you so much for watching.